hear the helicopter any second. It's going to rise above these trees, and this helicopter, there we go, this is quite something as well. This is a really large helicopter. I don't know what it is. It just landed a few minutes ago. There's another one literally coming overhead now, going into land. That's how frequent they are at the Battersea heliport right at the moment. Continue on this one, because this one very special. Not like any of the other ones. It's as much zoom as I can get. It's a shame because that one really was beautiful, but I'm going to go over now. Look, you can just see the other one's just landed. Anyway, that's how frequent they are at Battersea heliport sometimes. The other one's literally just landed, so I didn't catch that. You can hear it though.